In this video, I'll show you how to open and read your .mbox file after downloading your Gmail backup from Google Takeout. When you export your emails from Google Takeout, you'll get a zip file. After extracting it, open the Takeout folder, then go inside the Mail folder. That's where you'll find your .mbox files. These files can't be opened directly, so you'll need a mail client to read them. The best and easiest option for Windows and Mac is Mozilla Thunderbird. Go to the Thunderbird website, download it, and install it. It's a trusted and secure open-source email client made by the Mozilla Foundation, the same company that built Firefox. Once installed, open Thunderbird. Now set up or add your Gmail or Outlook account in Thunderbird. Once done, go to Settings, then Account Settings, and select Local Folders. Here, click Browse Local Directory, locate your Mail folder from Google Takeout, the one containing your .mbox files, and select it. Click OK, and Thunderbird will ask to restart. After restarting, go to your local folders and you'll see all your backed up emails loading automatically. Depending on your inbox size, it might take a minute or two to finish importing. If you're on a Mac, there's another option. Open the built-in Mail app, go to File, then Import Mailboxes, choose Mbox Format, click Continue, and then select your Takeout Mail folder. Your emails will appear in the Mail app once the import is complete. That's it. Now you can access all your Google backups directly on your computer. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.